Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 icon not showing on taskbar. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, right click on taskbar and go to your task manager. After that, scroll down and find out of Windows Explorer. Select a Windows Explorer and click on reset. Okay guys, after that I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization, and after doing this click on a taskbar, and after that select a click on a select which icons appear on taskbar, and select a app which you want to add in a taskbar. After that, close it. The third method is that in the search box type a run and open a run, and after that type a percentage local app data and percentage, and press OK. Click on view options and make sure data selected a view option, select hidden items, and after doing this step find out a icon caches, so select it, right click on delete button and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.